we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Pelsee 4K Wi-Fi rear view mirror camera, 12-inch mirror dash cam front and rear, backup camera dash camera for cars. That's include superior 4K dash cam. Pelsee P12 Plus rearview mirror camera features 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p Full HD rear recording. With WDR technology and an f1.5 aperture, it ensures clear nighttime video, so you never miss any important details on the road. Effortless video transfer via app. You can connect your phone to the dash cam's built-in Wi-Fi network, allowing you to configure camera settings, playback recorded videos, download videos, and share favorites on social media. The Pelsee app makes it all simple and convenient. Advanced safety features include ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, BSD or Blind Spot Detection, and LCA or Lane Change Assist, improve driving safety by alerting you to front collisions. Maintaining safe distances, detecting pedestrians, notifying when the front vehicle moves, warning of lane departures, and identifying vehicles in blind spots or overtaking from the sides. Smart tracking with GPS. Our rear view camera features GPS functionality, recording vital details such as driving routes, real-time speed, and precise locations. You can track this data through our app or dedicated GPS player, offering valuable evidence in case of an accident. Ready to go with 64 GB card. Our dash camera comes with a 64 GB memory card, eliminating the need to purchase a compatible card separately. This 64 GB card provides significantly more recording time compared to a 32 GB memory card. The dash camera supports up to 256 GB memory card, 12-inch full touchscreen display and parking assist. Enjoy a wide field of view with a 12-inch IPS touchscreen on your dash cam mirror, offering intuitive operation and real-time display. When reversing, the screen displays the rear view and parking guidelines to assist you in parking safely. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.